Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox a wig from Gabor. This is Bouncy Beauty. The color is SS Rusty Auburn. I have never tried this wig, so I'm excited to try it. This is the Gabor luxury line. I purchased this from the clearance section at wigstudio1.com. So I really wanted to try it. I saw it there and I thought, oh, this is the perfect time. Let's unbox it. So let's get started. All right. Let's see, it comes with a new Gabor wig, a little bit of information there. Package like that. It's in a hairnet. Let me get all this out of here. Okay. Wow, this is really on here, so let me get it all out. See if I'm going to try it. It's in that bobby pin. Alright, that is difficult, but I'm just showing you how it comes. So this is kind of all wrapped up together. There we go. I got it. Alright, this is how it comes. Okay, this has an extended lace front and a mono part that goes all the way back. I'm going to show you this really up close in a little bit, but I just want to show you how it comes right out of the box. Has that mono part that goes all the way back. It's open wefted, has these closed ear tabs. It has an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. There's some stretch here. Alright, let's look at Rusty Auburn. Oh gosh, okay, that's so pretty. I love the reds. So this has different shades of copper. You can see light copper, dark copper. Wow, that's pretty. Hints of blonde running through the ends. And then it has a medium brown root, it looks like. Alright, let's try it on. I've seen this on so many people and seen so many reviews. I just wanted to try it for myself. Alright, fit first off, I wouldn't have to make any adjustments. Alright, it's a lot of curl here. Oh gosh, okay, that's pretty. No adjustment, fits me well. There is permatease in this wig, of course. That's what's going to give it all this shape, all this movement. I'm feeling it all in the cap. A lot of permatease at the nape of this one. Let's see now, I'm just going to just kind of see what I'm working with here. Lots of waves. I have enjoyed wavy wigs. You know, I used to just review, if you've been with me for a while, you know, I just reviewed short pixie blonde styles in the beginning. And that was great. That was my comfort zone at that time. But as I've moved through this journey, and I would encourage you to do the same, I started branching out to other colors, other styles, other brands, everything. And it opened a whole new world for me. I found out that, guess what? I love red hair. I would have never thought I would wear red hair. Now I find myself gravitating towards red even more than blonde sometimes. So it just goes to show you, if you try something new, you just never know. Now what I'm going to do, I have a little of the Hair You Wear hairspray that I like. And y'all, just let me call to your attention, there are adjustments on the top of this. You can adjust the spray on this, the hold on this, so I just want you to know that. I know I didn't even know that for the longest time. So I'm going to use a little of this because I want to get this off my face just a little. It has this lace front. I want to take advantage of seeing that beautiful lace front. And then I have just some plain water, and you know I do this all the time. I'm just going to spray it with some water. I'm going to separate the fibers, get them away from the cap. That controls some flyaways too. That's just my way. It's just my preference. Something you don't have to do. It's just something I like to do. I can kind of see where I'm going with these fibers, what they're doing. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a lot of hair. Now there's a lot of fiber on this wig, so letting you know that. But as far as permatease being huge up here, it's not, but it is definitely there. If you do not like permatease, then no, you're probably not going to like this wig. However, as you know, I'm all about it. I am here for the permatease. Okay, let's see. Now, this has so much hair, so much. I think this wig would be beautiful in an updo. I just think it would. It lends itself to that. It has all this fiber. There's so much you could do. You could wear this in a half up and half down. I do believe, I even think you could wear this in a low ponytail. You could. There's enough length here. Now, the front of this is 7.5. The crown on this one is 10 inches. The sides are 8.5. The back is 10 and it has a 7-inch nape. Yeah, okay, I like that. I'm going to throw it on just with a headband. Yep, that works. You could also pull this completely off your face and just clip it at the top to show your lace front if you like. I like these wavy styles. I just think you can wear them, you can dress them down or you can dress them up. Like I said, this would be gorgeous in an updo. A holiday updo would work beautifully with this wig. I tend to these sometimes just take the smallest amount on the front and twist it and clip it back with some kind of pin or a barrette or whatever you have, and that will get it off your face if you want, and it just adds a little something extra. Like I said, you can dress this up or down. Alright, let's take a look at the inside of the cap. Here is Bouncy Beauty, the inside of the cap. Like we discussed, it is an extended lace front into a deep mono part. Goes all the way back. There is no seam here either. I just want to make sure you see that. There is some permatease here. Closed ear tabs with stays. Open wefted. Extended felt nape. And Velcro adjusters. And then I want to show you SS Rusty Auburn one more time. Thank you so much for joining me today and having a look at Gabor Bouncy Beauty and SS Rusty Auburn. Such a beautiful color. Again, be sure to check that clearance section at Wig Studio One. They have some great deals there. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time.